É funk brasileiro.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a very simple home-style egg curry. This is one of my go-to recipes, especially when I don't have any meat or chicken in the house and I want to make something substantial that's packed with proteins. This egg curry is amazing. It's simmered in a spicy gravy and it's great eaten with rice or even rotis. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. As far as egg curries go, there are probably more than 1,000 different recipes. In a pot, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oil and I'm going to saute a 1/4 cup of sliced onions. Followed by 5 red Kashmiri chilies. I'm just going to quickly de-seed these. I'm going to add a 2-inch piece of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and I'm just going to throw them into the pot. I'm going to add a 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, and 6 peppercorns. Saute everything well. And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Remove everything and allow this to cool. While this is cooling, I'm going to lightly saute my eggs. You can use whole eggs if you like, but I prefer to cut my eggs in half. Here's a little trick I want to share with you. Add a bit more oil to your pot and I'm going to grab my pre-cut egg halves. I have some egg white here. I'm going to immerse the cut side of the egg into the egg white and place it face down in the oil. Many people just slice the eggs and add them directly to the gravy, but there is a danger of the yolk popping out and it can be quite messy. This way it creates a seal and the egg yolk will not pop out. It also picks up some of those flavors from the whole spices and locks it in.
É funk brasileiro.
Once done, I'm just going to flip these over and then I'm going to keep them aside. Next, I'm going to saute a 1/2 cup of fresh grated coconut just till it's a light golden brown color. And I'm going to add it to the whole spices and chilies. I'm now going to add everything to my food processor together with a little bit of water and I'm going to start to grind it. Add a little bit of water at a time till you get a nice smooth blend. I'm going to add a bit more oil to my pot and I'm going to saute a 1/4 cup of finely diced onions. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of sliced green chilies. And I'm going to follow this with a 1/2 cup of fresh curry leaves. I wish you could smell this. I'm going to add in my spice blend and I'm going to scrape as much of that precious paste as I can. I'm also going to add 2 cups of water to my food processor. I'm going to use this later. Saute the masala with the onion, the chili, and the curry leaves for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Add the 2 cups of water and allow this to heat up. going to taste for salt and add salt as required. Put a lid on this and allow it to cook. Like with many Indian curries, it's at this point that the magic starts to happen. These type of deep curries can never be made and eaten in a few minutes. This needs to be simmered for a while for the spices to blend together. I'm going to taste for salt and I'm going to add more salt if required. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar just to balance out the spice and the salt. Cover this again and continue to cook this on a simmer for another 5 minutes. Immerse the eggs in the gravy. Cover and cook for a few more minutes. Finally, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh coriander to garnish. This delicious egg curry is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for egg curry and I hope this becomes one of your favorites. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. Tell me what kind of videos you're interested in seeing. Make sure to share my videos as well as my channel with your family and friends and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.